So, you're looking at a sentiment score of plus 0.34 and momentum of plus 0.75 for film. What stands out here is that this momentum is significantly higher than what we've seen historically. This isn't just a slight uptick. It reflects a growing enthusiasm around certain films right now. With 19 semantic clusters, our API allows you to decode the sentiment landscape, providing insights into which themes or genres are igniting this excitement. Imagine using this data to fine-tune your film marketing strategy, targeting campaigns for the films generating the most buzz. You can make informed decisions about where to allocate your resources, tapping into audience sentiment like never before. For more on how to leverage this powerful sentiment data, check out pulsebit.lojenterprise.com/docs.